everyone, and welcome back to Scrub Daddy FAQs. Christopher Joyce here, and today I'm the pip with the grip that will handle all your cleaning needs. We're going to check out a great cleaning tool for your Scrub Daddy sponges called the Scrub Hub. If you want some extra leverage to use with your Scrub Daddies, then stick around and find out just how useful the Scrub Hub is. Now, before we scrub away, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date on all the new videos coming out on the channel. Without further ado, let's unbox the Scrub Hub and go over all the cleaning features for you. When you take the Scrub Hub out of its box, you'll see that it has an ergonomic handle made of polyurethane foam. Now, depending on which one that you buy, you may or may not have a Scrub Daddy in the box. No sweat, pick up a Scrub Daddy if it doesn't include one. Once you have your Scrub Daddy with you, you simply attach it to the Scrub Hub like so. Make sure you line up the eyes, and then you're gonna be good to go. And with its smiley face now, you can start to scrub those messes away, holding onto the grip at the top. Now the Scrub Hub feels good to hold and is even non-slip. So even if your hands are wet, you're gonna be good to go. Also, it will rinse clean. If any mess gets onto the handle itself, just run it under some warm or cold water, massage the mess away. Now, the real benefit of the Scrub Hub is that it gives you that extra leverage to really dig into the messes around the kitchen, the bathroom, household items, or even your outdoor furniture. The handle gives you a wider range of motion to cover larger surface areas such as your shower doors, tile walls, and even oven doors. And what I really love about the Scrub Hub is that it keeps your hands away from the gunky, gross mess that you're cleaning up, keeping your hands and your fingernails nice and clean. Now, a couple things to make a note of. Not all your Scrub Daddies will fit into the Scrub Hub, including some of the seasonal shapes that have different eyes and mouths. If you're not sure, just do a simple fitting test like I'm doing right now to see if it stays on. But to err on the side of caution, go with a classic Scrub Daddy. So, if you're looking to keep your hands and your fingernails clean without getting them wet or dirty, pick up the Scrub Hub today. And if you find yourself using them on other surfaces, make sure you let us know in the comments below. Moreover, if you have any more questions, put those in the comments as well. Let us know what your favorite part of the Scrub Hub is. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm Christopher Joyce, and happy cleaning and clean with a smile.